What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss back here. Finally got the beam back, as you can see, out in some field. Crazy looking. Look at that gorgeous field. But anyways, guys, I'm back. Got my boy with one of his Saabs. I believe this is the 2.0 4-banger. Got my V6. My car is completely stock, besides the aftermarket halo rings that I installed. But I just did spark plugs and coils. And let's just, get in the car, start driving, and I'll just explain it to you guys. But anyways, guys, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not already. My name is Murderkiss, and I post, like these kind of style videos with like the vlogging and the GoPro and stuff. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool, and I enjoy doing it. So please help my little channel out right now. At this video, it's a very small channel. I think I just crossed 2,300 subscribers. So thank you everyone who has been supportive. I really appreciate the love, and I'm going to reciprocate all that energy back to you guys. So once again, I am so grateful and thankful. And yeah, let's just get straight on with the video. I changed the spark plugs and coils by myself the first time, and I messed up. Luckily, my dad helped me out with fixing it. He did his dad thing, and just, I don't know, I'm a mechanic, but I'm not like a master mechanic, if that makes any sense. I messed up the spark plug change. I started the car, I shorted the camshaft sensor on this thing. Luckily, that's all I think all the damage I did. Hopefully, car runs superbly nice now. I do need to get rid of that light in the middle right there. It does go away, but it comes back. Nothing mechanically wrong with the car though. Ooh, that was a big bump. Nothing wrong with the car mechanically. It drives really nice, and but anyways, there's a biker behind me doing his biker thing. But yeah, guys, this is a nice little road. Yeah, this puppy kicks. That four-wheel drive system, I'm telling you guys, on a BMW, that X-Drive is so nice. I do want to compare it to the rear-wheel drive. I've never driven one, so I do like the fact that I feel like if you take the traction control off on the 328i, this is the XI model, I feel like you drift better. You can drift in this car, but it has to be like raining or snowing, and you have to have the traction control completely off. But I have a hard time doing it when it's dry pavement, but I don't even really like drifting like that. Wow, there's two bikers behind me. But anyways, love this car. Super excited to be back in it. Like I said, when I changed the spark plugs, I messed up. I had to wait for my dad. We had to diagnose the issue because it wasn't really throwing any codes, but it was a flat battery, a completely flat battery. There was no spark when I turned the car on, so it cranked and all that, but there just wasn't enough electricity to create that spark. But now there is. Starts right up with the new coils and plugs, and yeah, I love it to death. So anyways, they need to end this pandemic, COVID. I don't even know what it is. I need to go back to living life. Driving cars is fun, but I like to socialize and stuff. But anyways, I think we're all tired of COVID, and hopefully I can bring you some joy out of your day with these videos. That's really all I want to do, just give people some entertainment or some value in the fact of me filming all this. But the scenery, guys, just make sure you smash that like button. Come on, like I'm giving you guys premium BMW content with the Saab. Look at this little farm right here. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, look at those horses. Look at those horses. Yeehaw! I have no idea where we are, but I'm just following the Saab. He knows all the routes in my area. But this is beautiful. I love where I'm at, driving around. Because you could be in the city for like 1 minute if you want to, you know, want that city vibe. And then literally like a 30-minute drive out here in the freaking, the woods. Like, you could probably shoot guns out here, to be honest. I mean, this guy got acres for sure. Anyways, smash that like button. Like I said before, I'm out here just posting content. I'll try to do 1 video a week at least. I know I've been lacking lately these past couple weeks, just because I've been busy fixing the car, working, and, you know, just doing that other stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna do a new series. Actually, fun fact about me, I actually I help run a 5-star Airbnb business. Been doing it for like a year, 2 years now. Like, pretty, like, you know, like dedicated doing that. So I want to give some tips to anyone, you know, wanting to make money. It's a great opportunity for young people. I just turned 21, so super blessed. Can have my legal drinks and stuff like that. Blessed to have made it this far. And, you know, this scenery, man, is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're just cruising. But anyways, got the traction control off, and, you know, car responds a lot differently compared to when it's on and off, in the terms of like acceleration and like turning and all that. But yeah. Where is that? There's a Subaru behind me. But yeah, guys, wow, this is a beautiful road. This is actually my first time going through this little scenic drive. Actually really nice. Can't go really fast, but very, very pretty during the day for sure. But like I said, guys, super grateful to be back. Smash that like button if you've not already. Really trying to grow this channel, make this my full-time gig basically. But like I was saying, I love you all. Take care. Have a blessed day, blessed night, whatever's going on with you. I hope you know, we're all here together. I'm here to make everyone stronger. You guys make me happy and all that. So once again, I'm so thankful. America's out. Peace.